Market manipulation happens when someone tries to artificially affect the price of a stock or security. Here is how it works and what to watch. At its core, manipulation is about deception. It creates a false sense of supply or demand to trick others into trading at unfair prices. The Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, keeps a close eye on trading patterns to ensure the market remains fair for everyone. Tactics range from pump and dump schemes where hype drives prices up, to spoofing, which uses fake orders to mislead high-frequency trading algorithms. Most of the time, the stock market reflects real value, but sometimes bad actors use deception to tilt the scales in their favor. While fraud exists, modern markets have high levels of regulation and transparency. Most price movement is still driven by real company performance. Remember, legitimate investing is a marathon, not a sprint. If a secret tip sounds too good to be true, it likely is. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, stay skeptical, and subscribe for more money basics. This is educational content, not financial advice.